Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 148 with a market cap of about $282 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $86 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and update right here for YFI for the bull run. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, we have seen this 50% push on the month right here at the current place where we are, and have seen a whooping 33% push to the downside right here for last week for YFI. So without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame, and Binance is the source, right? Now, one of the things basically we saw for YFI, right, was this push to the downside, right? The moment we went to this downside, we were seeing YFI was forming bottoming patterns, right? We bought the bottom right here on the channel. We also bought at 4,000. We bought at 5,000, right? Because we were seeing bottoming pattern. As you can see, the moment we see huge wicks, that means huge buying pressure. Huge wicks, huge buying pressure, right? So we saw that consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of consolidation before we saw that push to the upside. We confirmed the move right here at the $5,700 level, where our EMA turned bullish, and as you can see, we saw this huge push to the upside, right? Currently, we have this huge problem, and I call it the huge problem because, as you can see, the moment we see a very huge wick to the downside, it means lots of selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure was dumped right here on the market, right here, right? Even though we are still holding the EMAs, right? So basically what this means is that we could just see till the end of the year some sort of boring consolidation right here for YFI, right? Why we just ranging between that $10,000 to $7,000 region, right? So we could just see prices just trading between these levels, right? Until we see that huge push above that $10,000 level, and then we could see a huge push to the upside. So basically for now, even though for this week we have seen this huge wick to the bottom, which means we are seeing a lot of buyers stepping into the the YFI ecosystem, but it's going to take a lot of time, right? So you're going to wait probably right till December before we start seeing any sort of breakout right here for YFI. So we probably could just range from this 10,000 or 9,800 even into the $7,000 level. See that range? That is the second accumulation which we are preparing for the main bull run, which will see prices of YFI go higher and higher and higher and higher, even above our last high, right? So that is the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.